kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadin ke jingmi ke khubor ke bala penbena Paidbah atau Menteri Rangba ke Jela Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ubah hadin ke jingelang jong ke kinhon Menteri Ulaya Kren syakilat pathai khubor lingba ke runsan X baka Sorkar Assam kelarai ban Khang yiki Paidbah ban bam do Masi. Haba jubab halor kini ke bentan kaliang MLA ke BJP napok ke South Shillong constituency ubah Sanbor Shulai Ulaong bagani ka rai jong ka Assam kam day bantri kam hapo ke Jela Meghalaya ban mauhi shimet un persya halor gani ka rai kepada shim de kinhun menteri jong ka Assam uba Sanbor ulaong ru ba wat ha ka ritisan shar jong ka riru ka klem tho ban Khang bam do Masi ki breo jong ka ri pada ulaong lada pet lei shaki wei pat kiri ki bam wat yo Bseiñ ka khnai ru tangba amdon ka jing Khang ye ki ban bam Uba Sanbor ulaong ru habadon hapo ke Jela Meghalaya ka syong ha ka mon jong ki Paidbah ban bam bat kila ban bam nya Bseiñ ya Ksew bat dang ki khindiat benai ki bala dem udang sudet ban bam nya ka dok Ksew ka bala syet kerpang do perlok jong kumta kamlong ka babha ban Khang ban bam do Masi namar ka syong ha ka mon jong ki Paidbah ban bam bat amla ban Khang ki de ka bor ban nambam nya ka ka baki bang badula kren shai ba un yeng ban persya halor ka rajong ka Sorkar Assam ban Khang bam do Masi.
It should not happen in Meghalaya because I condemn and I oppose. You see, when we are traveling every part of the world, and the Constitution of India also there is no law that restrict to ban any kind type of meat to eat. We are traveling all about the world. You will see in Bangkok, Indonesia, Malaysia, in the European country, Asian country, they even eat snake. There is no restriction. Rats, insects, scorpion, they eat. So why should they restrict to eat beef?
But does
I oppose. Here in Meghalaya, it is your choice. You can eat snakes. We eat dog. I used to eat dog when I'm young. Now also, just 2 months back, my friend, he sent me 1 power dog meat. I eat nicely with my wife. So what?
So
Yeah, it's not good too. Why suddenly you ban? You cannot force. It's your choice. You want to eat snake, you want to eat beef, it's your choice. It should not happen. I will stand firmly. Here will not happen. As far as Sanbor is alive, I'll not ban. This is an independent state. We can eat snake, beef, scorpion, insect, whatever we like. Eat. Enjoy. Christmas is coming now. We enjoy Christmas. Eat everything. New Year is coming. Eat everything. No restriction. Let us enjoy. Happy Christmas in advance and Happy New Year in advance. Thank you.
but this ban has been imposed by BJP-led government, man.
You see, I'm here today as a BJP Sanbor. So my BJP style of function is different. So in Assam, the style of functioning is different. Here is a BJP Sanbor.
So, but will you apprise the party leadership that this is a wrong move and this?
Yes, I have prepared already. To send my message to the center. Copy I'll be giving to you. I'll send to Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma that we feel bad. We feel so sorry. Should not do all this thing. You see? We have the law. We restrict the criminal, but in terms of eatable things, they should not restrict.